Hello YouTube. Today I will be teaching you guys some good programming tips and tricks. Number one is to always use a good code editor. Some of them are PyCharms is a very good code editor for Python, JavaScript, etc. JetBrains makes very excellent code editors, and Visual Code Studio. They are very good. All the versions, as long as they're not like super old. And so number two is debugging your code. If you have a problem, what you can do is comment out part of your code to isolate the problem, and then you can change it. And number three is commenting. Like we said earlier, it can be useful in debugging, and also you can make a comment after a line of code to explain why you did it, so other programmers, or if you look at the program in a few months, can understand what this code is doing. And functions. In every programming language that I know, functions are an essential part of it. Functions help you organize code into blocks of so you can call a function to run all that code inside the function. Number five is minimizing code processing time. Minimizing the time that it takes for your program to run is very important. For example, if you have a website and it takes forever to run, to load up, nobody will want to visit that website. So one way, in Python, you'd only use one core, even if you have 5 million cores on your computer. So one way you could do that is to use all your cores, so then your programs will run quicker. Number six is knowing how programming works. You could know the overall way programming works, or you could know specifically how your programming language that you are working on compiles to the editor, etc. Number seven is Google stuff. This is so important. Half of your job as a programmer is to look things up if you have a question. There are so many great resources out there. One of my favorite is Stack Overflow. They have thousands of answers to all your questions. All you have to do is just copy and paste the error message, and you'll get so many results. And number eight is take courses. There's many good websites like Udacity, Coursera, edX, and YouTube even. Just go to your favorite YouTuber and watch a YouTube video on how to make a snake game in Python. And if you don't want to spend money on courses, many websites have the option to audit them, which basically means you won't have a professor grading your work, but you'll still be able to watch all the videos and learn. That's what I do a lot if I don't want to spend $1,000 for 2 weeks of learning. 9 is to take notes. This is really important because especially if you can take notes on a pencil and a paper, it helps you remember things. So then you can also go back on it, and so if you forget something, you don't have to look it up again. Number 10 is subscribe to my channel. I try to post daily, and I will teach you new programming concepts every time. Like in this video, I told you 10 special programming tips. Thank you. Goodbye.